Why should you be more mindful about your nutrition? Two simple answers. Number one, food affects your energy levels and food affects your mood. You don't believe me? All right, check this out. Think of the food that gives you a quick energy fix, right? It usually gives you high spikes of energy. But you know, with those types of food, they don't last a very, very long time, so then you have that energy crash. So over the course of the day, what we typically do is we'll have those foods, we crash. We have more of those foods, we crash. And if you're a visual learner, this is what it looks like, all right? High highs followed by low lows. This is your energy level. But then think about foods that also cause you to have a perk in your mood. Caffeine, chocolate, sugars. Same exact thing. You're going to have high moods, and then when you start to have that crash, it goes down. So your mood, up, down, up, down, up, down, over the course of the day. Completely volatile. Wouldn't it make more sense from an energy level or just from a basic mood level if we could be more mindful about our eating and keep our energy levels in the middle of that chart all day long rather than having high highs and low lows? Food for thought.